How much does it cost you to produce 1 dozen eggs?
$3.
That's how much you sell them for, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know how much it costs though?
It costs $3.
All right, guys, like a lot of people that are having eggs, you don't really know what your cost is, and then you decide you're gonna start selling eggs, and it sounds really great, but let's go over if this is profitable for you. All right, guys, so we have about 19 birds, 18 hens, and 1 rooster. We have them out here. We have them in an 8x8 coop with the run, and then we've recently switched from free ranging to this fenced in method. It's not electric fence. Well, it is electric fence, but we don't have it electrified, and it's been working out pretty well for us. So they're getting some grass time here, but it's nothing crazy. And now you have to think about, you know, when some people buy chickens, they kind of say like, oh, we're gonna sell it and we're gonna make money off it. So if you were doing the math and you're buying your bag of feed at 50 pounds for 14 bucks, you're paying about 28 cents per pound. And for these chickens, we give them almost a bucket full every day, and this is just about 9 pounds. So you're already at about $2.50 just based on the feed. Okay, this doesn't include anything else, any bedding for the chickens or anything like that. So that's gonna add to your cost. If this content helps you out at all, I would appreciate it if you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create 2 new videos a week as we expand our homestead, and we'd love to grow with you. You're also having to worry about infrastructure for the chickens, so it goes up quick. You start taking a few of those eggs every day for you, and it's gonna be a wash before you know it. It is definitely nice to have fresh eggs on the homestead, but I don't think, unless you have some supplemental feed thing, like a lot of scraps or a restaurant's giving you extra feed on the side, or a manure pile that they can go forage through all day, most of your cost is going to be the feed, and it's going to put you pretty close to that $3 mark. You see some people trying to gouge other people just to get the egg sales on the road, trying to sell their eggs for $2 or $2.50, and there's no way they're even making anything. It's kind of ridiculous. And people say, well, I can get a dozen eggs for $1 at the grocery store, but you're selling yours for $3, and it's just, you can't even compete with that. So the people that truly appreciate fresh eggs are going to pay the $3. Some people even charge even more. So just think about that before. I know some people keep hens and a rooster, and then they will hatch the eggs out and sell them, but a lot of people don't want to buy straight run chicks. So that's something to consider also. You know, Tractor Supply has a monopoly on that. They sell people all these chicks all day long, and you might find yourself with too many chicks left over.
The chickens always go wild, so that is pretty crazy. Watch what they do. They're so obsessed with food. Oh my God, look at the chicken. She's waiting for food.
Sometimes it's not all about the cost basis for your eggs. What do we got here? What are we doing today?
So we put them one here. I'm gonna do this one. No one. And then we put 2 over on one side, and then we put 1 on the other.
Do you have your money bucket in there?
And then we put our money bucket. And Dad, I have a question for you.
Yes.
If we sell the eggs and we owe, and the money is in there, can I have the money, please?
Ooh, that's a good question. You have to talk to your mom about that.
Let's go, guys. I'm not really great at it because we keep on. And then there's no way to get over there. Ah! My first target ever, guys. They're so heavy that you can die. Little bit, nothing I imagine.